Hey everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well. Bad news, good news. Bad news is I'm probably not going to stream for the next few days. I can't talk for more than like 5 to 10 minutes without feeling like I can't breathe, basically. Um, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do these shorter technical analysis videos for you guys, and that's gonna be the update. That's how I'm gonna be updating you guys. That'll be about stocks, option flow data, and crypto charts like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. But yeah, I feel like a crap right now, and I think this is the best way for me to give you guys some content here. Um, I'm also taking care of my sister who has COVID too, and she's 16, so I'm watching her like a hawk. So I really don't have enough time to be doing long-term streaming. And the last thing here is we've talked about BGB over the past month or so, and it's been doing very very well. I gave you guys the alert right around here, another one right here, another one right here, and especially when we broke all-time highs, and now we're here. I'm still buying more of this. This market cap is about $50 million or so. I'm happy where this is going. If you want to see what I'm buying right now as well, I'm buying a coin called SMG. This is something that I would say you guys don't only put a little bit of money in here. I found it on Coin Market Cap, and I just noticed it was on BitGet. Um, the market cap is only 2 million, and it's already on an exchange, which means you don't have to pay those heavy fees that you would normally have to, like gas fees. And yeah, so sorry guys. So if you guys want something that I'm personally buying now, I've been buying a bunch of this and kind of just putting it in an off-site wallet, and it's so far been good. I just bought another, 2,000 coins here a few minutes ago. I'm gonna see where this goes. Again, this is you want to put a small amount of money in here and let it make you a lot of money, especially if you're looking to hold long term. But only $2 million market cap, and it's already on an exchange. I have the link for BitGet down below if you guys want to sign up for it. Otherwise, I might be on another exchange, so just feel free to check to see if you have on another exchange first. But I think it's going to be a good one if you guys can hold it long enough. If you look right here, the previous year, you can see it had a few spikes, and it's been down here. We're at that buying level now. So if Bitcoin does look to make a move here in the next few months, this will have a nice big spike. And since you're only going to be putting a little bit of money in here, you're not going to be really mad if it goes away or something like that. So more of a medium risk, high reward type of proposition off of this coin right now. And it does have some very volatile moments in on the charts here. So if I just pull out the measurement tool, one day it went up, 978%. So, if it's something like that really does happen, I'll be pretty happy there. That usually happens when a whale's just buying up. You see how it comes right back down? Buys up, come back right down. I'm waiting for another big move like that, and I'll be happy with that going forward. Thanks everybody, and yeah, I feel like crap. So I'll be doing these shorter videos for you guys for the next few days. If I do stream, I won't be streaming, but I will hop into the stream every now and again to talk with you guys. Thanks again.